This is Walid Youssef from Professional Nurses Academy. Today we're going to talk about how COVID-19 spreads. Are you ready? Here we go. Our agenda for today's presentation is we're going to talk about brief introduction, we're going to talk about person-to-person spread, we're going to talk about spread from contact with contaminated surfaces or objects, and at the end we're going to talk about how easily the virus spreads. As we all know, COVID-19 it's a new disease, and the severity of this disease and the way of transmission it is still under investigation and study. I will share with you a talk from Center of Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) about the spreading of COVID-19. They said COVID-19 is a new disease, and we are still learning about how it spreads and the severity of illness it causes. Because of that, I share with you in this presentation the recent update from CDC about the way of transmission of COVID-19. Person-to-person spread. This virus is thought to spread mainly from person to person. How? Between people who are in close contact with another, through a respiratory droplet produced when an infected person cough, sneeze, or talk. These droplets can land in the mouth or nose of people who are nearby, or possible be inhaled into their lungs. Some recent studies have suggested that COVID-19 may be spread by people who are not showing symptoms. Because of that, we are always saying having no symptoms does not mean you don't have COVID-19. You may have COVID-19 without any sign and symptoms. And also because of that, we are always emphasizing about the importance of keeping a good social distance between us and others. This is one of the most effective strategies to prevent the spreading of COVID-19. Spread from contact with contaminated surfaces or objects. It may be possible that the person can get COVID-19 by touching a surface or object that has the virus on it, and then touch their mouth, nose, or eyes. Even this way is not the main way of spreading of this disease, but as we said before, the way of transmission is still under study and under investigation. Because of that, CDC recommend always people to practice frequent hand hygiene, either by soap and water or alcohol scrub gel. And CDC always recommend frequent cleaning of frequent touch surfaces like bottom of the elevator, for example, or nursing stations. Now we'll talk about how easily the virus spreads. How easily a virus spread from person to person can vary. Some viruses are highly contagious, which mean highly infected, like measles, while other viruses that do not spread as easily. Another factor is whether the spread is sustained, which means it goes from person to person without stopping. The virus that causes COVID-19 is spreading very easily and sustained between people, and because of that, it's very, very dangerous. Information from ongoing COVID-19 pandemic suggests that this virus is spreading more efficient than influenza virus, but not efficient as measles virus, which is, as we said before, it's highly contagious or highly infected. At the end of our presentation, thank you for your listening. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel. See you soon, inshallah. Bye.